In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a picture into a circle shape in PowerPoint, providing a creative touch to your presentations. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have PowerPoint open on your computer. If it's not already running, go ahead and launch it. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you wish to edit. If you haven't created a presentation yet, you can start a new one by selecting New Presentation from the home screen. Locate the picture you want to transform into a circle on one of your slides. Place it onto your slide if it isn't there already. Once it's in view, click on the image to select it. This action reveals additional options you'll need to proceed. Next, look at the tabs at the top of your PowerPoint window. When your image is selected, you'll notice that a new tab called Picture Format appears. Click this tab to access a variety of tools related to picture editing. On the right side of this Picture Format toolbar, you will find an option marked as Crop. Click on this crop button, which will then give you further options to work with the shape of your image. This functionality might be somewhat hidden if you're not familiar with all the toolbar options, but rest assured it's a simple click away. As you click the crop drop down, you'll see an option titled Crop to Shape. Select this option and a menu will appear displaying a gallery of different shapes to choose from. Now you may notice a plethora of shapes including rectangles, arrows, and more abstract designs. For our purpose, we're interested in the shape called oval. Go ahead and click on it. Once you select the oval shape, your image will automatically be cropped to this shape. However, our goal is to create a perfect circle, which means a little bit of resizing is necessary. After selecting the oval shape, check your image. You may need to adjust the dimensions if it doesn't look quite right. It should appear as a circle. To do this, click and drag the crop handles located on the sides of the image until the height and width are equal. Make sure the image looks balanced within the circle. And there you have it. Your picture is now cropped in a perfect circle, ready to add a professional and polished look to your PowerPoint presentation. This technique is a great way to enhance your slides and present your images with a touch of creativity and style. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. See you in the next video.